Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a cordless vacuum from Brigii. This is the Y120 model, and it's pretty cool because you're able to use it for small spaces or on the go, like if you want to use it in a car or go between the cracks on the couch or anything like that. You don't have to take out the huge vacuum to be able to do something like that. Right here is the product specifications, as you can see. So it says cordless vacuum cleaner, the model number Y120, charging volt, USB DC 5 volts, charging current is 1500 milliamps, 35 watts, 2000 milliamp capacity, and then the package dimensions and then the weight. So as you can see, good for car, home, office, pet, and you're able to charge it, which is pretty cool. So here's the package. You get a micro USB cable. You get 3 nozzles, so you have suction, you have a blower, and then you have a little brush. If you get on the left side, you have a user manual, as you can see. So as you can see right there, it says keyboard cleaning, sofa cleaning, car cleaning, cabinet cleaning, pet hair cleaning. So yeah, this will be really good for pets or anything like that. I'm going to be using it in my studio, and when I get self cuts I can clean it. It comes in this nice bag, pretty lengthy actually. It's bigger than the product and the box. Then you have the product itself. So right here it has branding, Brigii. Right here you have a tip, turn on for 3 seconds and press for a short time, absorb and blow. And then right here you have the DC 5 volt charging. So the charging on this, when you plug it in, it lights red to indicate that it's charging. It lights red to indicate that it's charging. So that's pretty cool. And I like this mainly because if your power goes out and you for a few days and you really need to clean an area, this thing will definitely be able to help. Right here you have a locking mechanism and some more specs. So it says 2000 milliamp battery, and then it has a locking mechanism, and you have a filter right here, which is really nice. This is a high quality filter as well, basically like a normal vacuum. So that's where the absorbing side goes, and then on the other side you have a little fan and it blows. So at the same time you're able to cool things down. You're cooling the internals, you're either absorbing or blowing something out of an area, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out right now. So as you can see, the absorb, you have a little ridge here, and this one's flat. Put the flat side in this end and you're able to turn it on. It does clean pretty good. Actually pick some stuff up. That's pretty good. I probably won't use this. I mainly will use this one and this nozzle. This one is for the blow, and you basically can push things away from an area. Absorbing, you can push things away from an area, which is pretty cool. So you could just go like this. So it's pretty good at at the blow and the absorption. Pretty cool. Alright, and here is the mini vacuum cleaner in action. So right here in my futon, it has a little crevice and a ton of dirt and crumbs and just food and stuff gets stuck in there. So I just get the vacuum, go behind there, and it's nice and clean. So I can get those bugs away from my bed and stuff like that, so they don't go through the food. So basically, this product cleans really well. You can't really see it on camera because my flashlight on my phone turned off randomly, but it's really good.